Let's do this. Now I'm cutting the cheese. Should be about this thick, and here we have a nice sliced cheese. The other cheeses that there are besides cheddar are Swiss, provolone, cream cheese, and those are the other cheeses that there are besides cheddar. Now we're gonna take some nice turkey. Today we're using Lando Frost. It's hickory smoked premium meat. Now I'm gonna cook the turkey. I got a pan here. I'm gonna put it on medium heat. Now we're gonna put some butter in. Stir the butter around and wait for about 1 minute or so. Now we're gonna put the turkey slices in. Put one of the turkey slices in, the other slice of turkey in. Now I'm gonna flip the turkey. Now we're gonna put the turkey right onto this plate. Let it cool down. Now we're gonna take the bread and butter one side. One side is buttered so that the outside is crispy, more crispy, and the inside is not as crispy. But now we're going to get out the two bread slices. Get some butter and just spread the butter on the bread one side. It's kind of like you're painting the bread with butter. One side on, then put cheese just until the bread's covered. Almost done, just have to cover this part. Now that that's all cheesed up, we're gonna get the turkey, put of bread, buttered side out. I like only one side with the cheese, but you can do both sides with cheese if you want to. But if you just want one side, that's okay. It's up to you. Now we're gonna put the bread on, butter side out. We're gonna let that cook. I'm gonna flip my turkey and cheese sandwich. Pick it up. I'm gonna put my finger on there. Flip it over. Pat it down so that all the heat is cooking in the middle. We're gonna take it off of the pan and put it onto the cutting board. So I got my spatula under the sandwich and I'm just gonna put the tip on the cutting board and just slide the spatula out. Just let it cool down. Cut the sandwich. Gonna hide my fingers away from the knife. Look at our beautiful sandwich. Yummy. We're gonna put the sandwich on the plate. So we're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna put some perfect parsley on it. Putting the parsley on for presentation. Perfect turkey and cheese sandwich. Now our food critic's coming. Does the memory chick? Do you want to come try this perfect turkey and cheese sandwich? Here, enjoy. Okay. This kind of cheese is my favorite. Why is there parsley on it? For presentation. Good. It's so good. It's so good. I'm looking eating it. So good. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's such a